Quick video will show you how to use the Google Draw features when you have a Google Drawing. So first, if you double click anywhere on this screen, you will be able to, or just single click, you will be able to type in any of the boxes. However, if you want a drawing option, then you should come up to the top toolbar here and you'll have some different things. You can use this line segment tool with the drop down. And if you click on scribble, that will give you this cursor in which you can write things as you want. Just be careful if you do it in one continuous line and you don't like it, you can delete it, but it will delete all of that work. So it might be good to do things in different pieces. And that way, if you don't like something, you can click on the arrow button again, and it will highlight the different pieces that you did separately, and you can delete what you don't like. If you'd like to delete multiple things, you can drag a cursor. Just make sure that you don't have too much. If you do have too much highlighted, like I have the workspace and these three things, and if I were to press delete, I'm going to delete the entire workspace. If that happens, Control Z or Control Z and get that back. And then you could use your cursor, hold down the control button and then click just once to get rid of what you don't want highlighted. And now this leaves all this stuff that I can now delete. Additionally, besides the scribble, there are other lines here. There's also drawing boxes, so you can draw different shapes and input them here as well. Once you do put something, you may get more options in how to highlight it or change the font or change the different features of it. Now, alternatively, you're welcome to do this work on a piece of paper, and then you can save that, take a picture, save it to your computer, and then upload that photo from your drive or from your computer and place it here. I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions.